This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Tia Orman. Light, bright and spacious home in the quaint community of River Meadows. This home could work well as a multi-generational, vacation home or full-time living. Lots of separate living spaces which include an open great room floor plan, step-down den or family room, upstairs office west/built-in bunk room, newly finished bonus room and fourth bedroom upstairs, both with beamed vaulted ceilings and skylights that could be used for additional sleeping spaces, creative retreat or extra privacy with good separation from the main home. Additional work/crafting spaces available in garage and hidden room behind built-in shelving. Located on a quiet and forested lot that backs to the Deschutes National Forest with the Big Deschutes River a very short distance away. River Meadows amenities include a private river dock, paved trail system, pool, and tennis/pickleball courts. For more information,